Hello YouTube, welcome to another retro unboxing video. It's been some time now since I made a retro unboxing, but I've been playing a lot of games lately and just chilling out and a lot of work and stuff like that. But yeah, we are back on track. This is going to be a keyboard and wireless set for my Fujitsu Siemens build. The only thing missing now, really, is a scale of view monitor. At least 22 inches or a 24 inches. And then I'm pretty much done. So I'm gonna do a video about that when I'm done. But today, we're gonna unbox a new old stock LX850 wireless set. I think it was LX850, something like that. It does not come in the retail package, which is unfortunate. But here we are anyway. So this is from eBay, a German seller. I don't really remember. Let me check. Unique. I cannot pronounce that, but yeah, whatever. So let's go unbox it. It's newspapers as always. Love that. And okay. So first up is the mouse. Is this the wireless mouse? Got some batteries. You got the wireless receiver, and I think this is a no, it can't be a charger. I think it's for the keyboard or mouse or something. Then you plug that in a PC and that into that, something like that. But yeah, this mouse is yeah, it's perfect fit. The Fujitsu Siemens mouse I have now is like half the size. It's like a laptop mouse or for shillering or something. It's very small. But this one is good. So got the driver CD there. Fujitsu Siemens. Oh, laser mouse, nice. That's cool. So we got the mouse, and underneath here we have the keyboard. There's nothing more in that. Put everything. Oh shit, sorry. And here is the keyboard. I'm gonna take that out. Yeah, it's the LX850 Nordic edition, which I live in Sweden, so that makes sense. I'm gonna tear it. That's a very nice board, actually. Nothing fancy, just a Fujitsu Siemens board. Nice feel to the keys, actually. Got the volume, up and down, pause, mute, sleep mode, all of that nice stuff. I really like this black and silver look of the things. So you got the keyboard there, and you got the mouse and the wireless. Really nice. A very, very nice size mouse, actually. I have pretty big hands, so I'm gonna open up the child-proof package. So here is the package here. Really nice. Then we got driver CD, XP and Windows Vista. Got the no instructions. Yeah, so it goes into the connector there, that into the PC. You got some documentations here, and then the mouse. Oh yeah, that's a very nice fit actually. Nice scroll wheel. Nice clicks. Got the back and forth. Really is a nice mouse. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.